Hi everyone, welcome back to my world. Today we are going to the Caroni Bird Sanctuary. Yeah, we're going into nature a little bit. It's going to be exciting. Stay tuned. We're heading out now. Let's go. I'm just gonna meet up with the others, find our tour guide, and run away. Waiting for everybody else to arrive. We are doing our tour today with Nanan's Bird Sanctuary Tours. They invited us here and we are extremely grateful. So look out, look out, look out. We're going to see the scarlet ibis. The scarlet ibis.
Alright, so everybody have a nice
Can I
time.
have a selfie, please?
Can I have a selfie?
Sarah, where?
I got my umbrella.
Okay.
Constrictors, but they are harmless, they are non-venomous.
Oh my god.
They are nocturnal, they sleep all day long.
Where's it?
They move and feed at night, they feed on small birds.
You seen him?
Yeah.
Look, Zany.
As the Caroni swam to everyone from many years ago. Up until a couple of years ago, it was renamed by the government of Trinidad and Tobago to the Winston Nanan Caroni Bird Sanctuary, in memory of the late Winston Nanan. Now, Winston Nanan's dad before him, that's Mr. Simon Udit Nanan. He was the first person that started these tours right here in the Caroni Swamp in the early 1930s. And some years after, Mr. Winston Nanan joined him, and they both carried on the tours. And now that they have both passed on, their sons and grandsons have taken over the business and carried on the tradition. We have boat-billed herons, we have the small white snowy egrets, we have the larger white great egrets, we have owls, we have red-capped musk cardinals, we have pink flamingos, and the main attraction is the scarlet ibis. Okay? Groupers, snappers, we have two types of mullets, three types of catfish, frequently coming up in the main channels when the tide rises. We have a couple of cavalli and salmons coming up in the main channels. Also we have tapon, which is locally called granticai. We have snook, which is locally called boucher. We also have 5 different types of crabs. We have a various number of lizards, including iguanas. And frequently in the high embankment areas, just more out to the front. For the past few years, we have started seeing now and again, not too often, a couple of capybaras around.
This is definitely something you have to experience for yourself.
We have scarlet ibis consists of 10 to 12,000 birds. And now we have always had the scarlet ibis here from long before the 1930s. And back in those days, the scarlet ibis, they were legal to hunt. There were no restrictions on the scarlet ibis. And back in those days when Mr. Simon Udit Nanan, he used to come into the swamp here to do a lot of fishing and a lot of hunting. And over the years, while hunting the birds, he himself started developing a passion for the birds and he stopped hunting them. And he started asking his fellow hunters to stop hunting the birds as well. And he started bringing in some of his friends from where he used to work in the cane fields just across the highway to see these birds. And those friends of his invited some of their friends from abroad, which were British aristocrats and French Creole people. And he used to bring them in here to see these birds and document these birds. The adult male and female, they bring out the youngsters, they train them to feed and train them to fly as well. When they can feed and fly on their own, they are left on their own.
I hold the chin. Laugh at your inside voice.
You don't have any clear questions?
Sure. She said she's buying it. You can also get your dinner tours. So guys, we are now leaving the scarlet ibis nesting at the Caroni Bird Sanctuary. It was indeed an amazing experience, and we would all like to thank Nanan Stores for inviting us. Everybody, can you say thank you? Thank you. End of another video. Again, we'd like to thank Nanan Tours and have all the information there for you. Remember, life is what you make it. Share, subscribe, like. See you next time. Like what? Do it again. Boom. Ibis, part of the sanctuary.
Sorry.
At the scarlet ibis nesting part of the bird sanctuary at the Caroni Bird Sanctuary. It was a really wonderful experience. Oh my Nanan Stores for inviting us. We had a duck.
All of us are short.
The short people don't need to duck. Duck.
Look tight on it.
Are you getting it? Hey!